Now I'm gonna show you how to completely disassemble the SSP18. So we will start by removing the magazine, making sure the chamber is empty, and now we can start disassembling the pistol. So we will pull these two tabs down and we will rack the slide. It is relatively easy, maybe you will have to do it 1 or 2 times. Now I'm gonna remove the recoil spring, gonna put it aside. This buffer doesn't fall out on its own, but it's good to keep it separated, so that you don't lose it on the carpet, anywhere. Just put it there. Now we have to unscrew the thread protector so that we can remove the barrel. Unscrew it, put it aside, and now I can remove the barrel and the slide. This is basic disassembly. Usually you should not need to go further than this, but we can continue by disassembling the barrel and revealing the inner barrel and the hop-up chamber in case you want to replace the hop-up bucking. For that I will need a screwdriver, so I will be right back. Okay, we will take a Phillips head screwdriver and we will remove this screw right here, which is fixing the inner barrel in the outer barrel. To make it more precise, we will set it aside, and now we can remove the inner barrel from the outer barrel. Here again we can see 2 Phillips head screws, so we take the screwdriver once again and we unscrew these 2 screws which are holding the chamber together. The 2 screws are out now and we can open the shell just like this. Here we have the hop-up adjustment wheel and the pressure plate. Now we can remove the hop-up bucking just like this. We can exchange it if it's too used already after a year or 2, and then we can assemble it back together. Okay, this was the disassembly of the SSP18. You should never need to go further than this. This is absolutely enough for most users. I would not recommend going into the trigger housing or the nozzle. If you need to do so, contact our tech support and they will help you.